Let's make double exposure effect. Bring main object and convert it to smart object. Bring another image and clip with main object. Apply mask on image and make copy of it and adjust it. On copy image brush on mask side with black color. Do same with the first image on mask side. Change background color according to main object. Put mask on main object and remove some extra part. Apply gradient map and make opacity low. Now apply curves and adjust its values. Now select both images and put blend mood to lighten. Click on copy image and adjust in and remove some extra parts. Thank you for watching.